Good day guys, in this video I will show you how to create visual storyboards fast with OpenArt AI. So if you're planning a video, ad, animation or short film and want to visualize your ideas before production, storyboards are essential. In this video I'll show you how to create clear storyboards using OpenArt AI, even if you can't draw. A quick reminder before we start, you'll find a direct link to OpenAI in the video description, so you can open it now and follow along step by step. Let's begin. So first up, why use OpenArt AI for storyboards? So OpenArt AI is ideal for storyboarding because it lets you generate consistent visual scenes from text, quickly iterate on different short ideas, creates frames without drawing skills, controls style, camera angles, and mood. This is perfect for YouTube videos, commercials, short films, animations, and game cutscenes. And before we begin, you will need to define your scene and shortlist. So before generating anything, quickly outline what you need. For each storyboard frame, think about camera angle, for example, wide, close-up, over the shoulder, then subject, person, object, environment, and action, walking, talking, reacting, and also mood or lighting. You don't need a script, just create a short descriptions. And when you're ready to begin, just head over to OpenArt AI and open the image generation tool. So we do it like this, just go into the home screen, and then you go image, and in the drop down you choose create image. And will be dropped into this interface where you can start creating your storyboard. So go to home. Alright, and now in the prompt box, which is right over here, you can just describe one storyboard frame at a time. For example, a storyboard frame, cinematic wide shot of a person entering a room, neutral lighting, and simple background sketch style. So let me just type in that prompt. Alright, so this is my prompt, and also I'll give you some helpful prompt tips. Use storyboard frame or concept art keywords, mention camera angle, keep backgrounds simple, use a consistent art style. Click generate and review the results. So as you can see here, we have a frame, then the type of shot, cinematic wide, and then action, person entering a room, lighting neutral, and simple background, and style is sketch. Also, if you wish, you can cherry pick and fine tune by selecting a certain model, as you can see, of which there are many. Let's choose, for example, let me see which one I can use. Let's use, for example, this one, 3D cartoon. There you go. Okay, now our prompt is still here. And also, as you can see, we have a negative prompt where you can just go ahead and mention which exact things you wish to exclude from your generated image and storyboard. So if you wish some keywords to be entirely evaded and completely ignored, you can just type them in right over here. Maybe you don't like something, so you can just type it in here. Then we also have the image guidance if you wish to upload images and make sure that the AI creates something on top of them and take it as a base. You can just drag and drop or upload images right over here. Also, you can do the same in the style reference and pose reference. Also, you can open up a pose editor and easily adjust it here. As you can see, you can just adjust different parts of the body, like a feet, head, arms, whatsoever. And then you can just save it, update the pose. Then you choose the aspect ratio. Let's do the art print 5:4 and leave the width and height on default. If you wish to change any of these settings, you can at any time. And then we can just choose how many of images we will create. Let's choose 8. And then just press on create. And now, as you can see, we're using Turbo because we have used that amazing affiliate link in the video description. And now we are generating extremely quickly. Alright, and here's our first frame. Then you can just generate as many frames as you wish. As you can see, there you go. Just a girl standing in front of a door entrance. As you can see, you can just check which one you want. So for example, she's standing here, here she's just entering, in here she's also entering. This is our action. In here she's kind of like slowly entering the door. Yeah, so just be sure to check. You can of course generate as many of them as you wish and cherry pick as much as you can. And when you're ready, you can just also edit the image. Maybe you want to crop it or something, or add some kind of effect. You can do it here. And when you're ready, just go ahead and publish it, or you can just download as a simple image format, for example, JPEG or PNG, which is lossless. There you go, I just saved it onto my desktop, and this is what we came up with. This is our first frame. So that's how easy this is, guys. Very, very nice service. Don't forget that we have an affiliate link for you to check out in the video description if you wish to start using this service. And if this video helped, like and subscribe.